Welcome to this short video on the extended Polyline command, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD, which has come out with our 2023 release. Anybody that actually uses AutoCAD often has maybe created a 3D polyline. The limitations with a 3D polyline inside AutoCAD is that it doesn't prompt you for elevations, or you can't put curves in there. To demonstrate this, I'm just going to type in 3P for a 3D polyline. I'm going to pick a point on screen. It doesn't prompt me for an elevation, just picks the next point. Prompts me for the next line. Doesn't give me the option to put in a curve or anything. So I'm going to escape here and erase that. Now I'm going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD ribbon. We're going to go to the Geometry panel and I'm going to select this Extended Polyline. At the command line it says specify your start point. I'm going to pick a point. Then it says enter the elevation. So the elevation at that point is 100. Then it asks me to pick my next point, so I'm going to pick a point. And here I can either specify an elevation, or I can go G for a grade and say I want a grade of 10%. I'm going to press enter. Then instead of drawing another line, I'm going to type in an A for an arc, and there you can see the arc being drawn. So I'm going to go around here. And I can also specify an elevation or a grade. It's defaulting to grade now, so I'm going to leave it at 10. And we can add another curve in here. I'm going to press enter for 10. And lastly, I'm going to go L for a line, and I'm going to draw this line. I'm going to click here. Same thing. It's asking me for a grade or an elevation. I'll leave it at 10%, and I'll press enter. And I'll escape. And now I've completed this command. Now I'm just going to list this. This is the polyline, so I select it on screen, and now you can see I've got elevations on here. I'm going to escape. Check out our next video on Elevation Editor, where you can edit this extended polyline. We came out with a new tool called Extend Polyline, and what that does is it creates a 3D polyline and allows the user to specify elevations and also put curves in. So this is a 3D polyline that I have on screen. Now I want to edit that 3D polyline, and that's when we're going to use this new tool called Elevation Editor. To access this, we're going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD ribbon. We're going to go to the Modify panel, and we're going to select Elevation Editor. At the command line it says select your object, so I'm going to select my polyline. Here you can now see all the different vertices of this polyline, the elevation, and also the grades. So if I wanted to, I could change these grades. So from vertex 1 to 2, I want to set that grade of a positive 5%. Then from 2 to 3, I'm going to also set that to say 5%. I'm going to change this one to say a -3, and this last one at a -3. And so I've now modified all of these elevations. I can also raise and lower the entire thing, or just certain ones. If I want to do the entire thing, I select them all. Here you can see a value. Whatever value you type in, you can click on raise or lower, and it'll raise and lower each of the vertices. And I'm going to do this, so I'm going to raise this one, and now you'll see this is now set at 120. Other things that we can actually do in here, we can add elevations. So if I want to add another elevation along this polyline, I can remove an elevation, and I can also flatten it. So if I want to push it all down at the same elevation. Other things I want to point out in here, if we go to the settings, is we have the ability to zoom to a vertex. So if I click on a vertex, it'll quickly zoom to it. So this really is great when you've got a really long polyline that you want to go and find a certain location. We can also specify whether we're going to put our slope in by a slope or a grade. I'm going to leave it at grade. I'm going to go back to edit. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to get out of this command. This concludes this short video on Elevation Editor, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD 2023 release.